Hi everyone, how's everyone doing? Welcome to my channel. My name is Tina. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today I'm going to make two cards using this stamp set from AlinaCraft. These have beautiful flowers and leaves and comes with the coordinating dies. And I'm going to use this Thanksgiving paper pad. So I will go through each card separately, but I'm going to use my jelly plate to make a bunch of flowers and leaves. And then I'm going to use it for both cards. So like I said, I will go through each card separately. Let's get started. I cut up some file folders. These are from Dollar Tree. I like using them because they're pretty sturdy. And I just cut them into 4 pieces, each file folder. I have my brayer. And for my flowers, I have a couple of shades of orange, yellow, and red. And for my leaves, I have 2 shades of green. I also brought gold and some white. So I'm going to play music and I'm going to do some jelly printing. Here are all the prints that I did. I used for the flowers some oranges, yellows, and some red and gold. And for my leaves, I used 2 tones of green, some white, some yellow, and some gold. So again, I'm going to play music and stamp my images. So I got all my flowers and leaves ready, and as I mentioned, I'm going to use it for both cards. For my first card, I have a card base that's white, and this is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. I took this cardstock from the Thanksgiving paper pad, and I cut it 2 inches by 5 1/2. And then for my matting layer, I brought this brown cardstock, and this is 2 1/4 by 5 1/2. So it's going to just show on the 2 sides here, and that's going to go down here. For my sentiment, I picked Happy Anniversary from this stamp and die set, and I will link everything down below. This comes with the coordinating dies. And I have this gold and white twine that I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna play music and put this card together. My second card, my card base is 4¼ by 5½. I took this pattern paper from the Thanksgiving paper pad and I cut it 1/4 of an inch smaller than my card base. And then I brought this die set, this doily die set, and I just die cut it the 3rd size in gold cardstock. So I'm gonna use that. I'm going to use the flowers and the leaves. I also brought this leaf set from Alina's shop and I die cut it in gold cardstock just so that I can mix and match them. And for my sentiment, I'm going to use Happy Birthday. Again, this is from this stamp set. So I'm going to play music and put this card together. here are my finished cards. For the first one, I finished it with a couple of sequin in brown, copper, and orange. And inside, I just put 2 strips of the cardstock that I used and 2 flowers, and I stamped "You're in my heart." And for the second card, I put glossy accent in the middle, and I just put orange glitter. So I don't know if the camera is catching it. And I also used gold, orange, and this kind of peachy color sequin. And I put a little twine here, and inside I used the leftover paper and stamp "Celebrating with You Today" and put a flower. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, have an awesome day, you guys. Bye.